You must have gotten very frustrated by searching on YouTube about how to get access to VEO 3.1, but you still do not have a VEO 3.1 account. And even if you do have one, you can generate only 3 videos in a day and not unlimited. And the videos that do get generated also come with a watermark, which becomes a different kind of headache altogether. So that is why, in today's video, I'm going to give you a solution to all of these problems. And along with that, I will also tell you a method through which you can create a VEO 3.1 account using a temporary email and generate unlimited videos in a single day. Although there is a trick involved in that as well, which I will also explain to you in this video. And the method I am going to tell you requires only a temporary email and nothing else. So how to get a temporary email and what exactly needs to be done, I will explain that entire process. So let's begin. Now, to generate a video, we will need a topic. For this, we will get a story written using ChatGPT. And for this, I ask ChatGPT to write a story inspired by Jungle Book stories, keeping it within 200 words. So it has now written a nice story that also includes a fight between a lion and a boy from the jungle. So we have received a good story. Now we will convert this story into a video prompt. And for that, we will use this prompt. I want to upload this story on YouTube. Now write video prompts to convert this story into a video, with each prompt creating a 7-second video. VEO 3.1 generates an 8-second video, but why I wrote a 7-second video here? If you want to know that, you can watch my other video. Now let's paste this prompt. It has written 12 prompts for us, which are quite short and do not have very good details added to them. So we will give ChatGPT this prompt, and below it we will paste all those 12 prompts that ChatGPT has just written. And as soon as we press enter, ChatGPT will rewrite all our prompts properly and in detail. Now we have a story, and we have good prompts to convert the story into a video, but we do not have details for character consistency. So we will give ChatGPT this prompt. Write short prompts with detailed descriptions of Mowgli and the lion. So now ChatGPT has written the character details, but it has created separate prompts. There are 3 prompts for each character, and many times ultra-detailed prompts are also not correct because they are not able to generate that particular scene properly. So we will get a single prompt written from all these prompts. For that, we will copy and paste all these character description prompts, and below we will give this prompt. So now it has written one prompt. Now we will again tell ChatGPT that we will copy this one prompt and paste it below, and there we will write that these are the details of Mowgli and the lion. Add these details to those 12 prompts, and in whichever prompt the character appears, add that character's detail there. And if the character is not present, then do not add it. As soon as we write this much, it rewrites the 12 prompts again and adds the details we provided, and it adds only the character details to the prompts where that character is present. So now we will make videos using these prompts. For this, we will copy the first prompt and search on the Chrome browser for Gemini Business. You have to click on this same website. Read the name of this website carefully. Now I had already created an account on this website earlier, but still I will show you by creating an account once again. So for that, I will click on Add Another Account, and then we will reach here. Here we will enter our temporary email. For this, we will search for temp mail on Google and click on this website. The temporary email that is already there will be deleted by clicking on Delete. Now a new temporary email will appear. We will copy that temporary email and paste it here, then click on Continue with Email. Now here we will need to enter the OTP. For this, we will go back to the temp mail again and scroll down a little. So here we will find a link. When we click on it, we will get the OTP. We will copy it and paste it there, then click on Verify. And here we will enter our name. And as soon as we click here, after a short while, our account will be created and ready. Now what needs to be done to generate a video, please watch carefully. Now we will click here, and the main page will open in front of us. Now we will click here, and then click on Generate Video. Now here it says to describe your video. So there we will paste the first prompt of our story, and then click on Generate. Now here you can see an error has appeared saying that there is a lot of load on this website. Many people are using this site at the same time, so our video has not been generated yet. If you want to generate videos without any errors, then generate videos at night. Only then will the videos be generated. Otherwise, if you want to generate videos during the day, then you have to keep clicking regenerate again and again. Then after some time, your video will get generated. And if you generate videos at night, then your video will be generated in a single click, and you will not see any error. So I have generated one video from my first prompt, which I will download by clicking here. So this video has been created like this. Now, if you want to generate the second video, then for that you have to click here and first open a new chat. Only then generate the video. If you do not open a new chat and generate the video in the same chat, then your video will not be generated properly. After opening a new chat, we will click here and then click on generate video, and paste our prompt and click on generate. Then our second video will also be generated. We will download this one as well by clicking here. In the same way, we generate videos from all the prompts. Now, when all the videos have been generated, then we will make all of them into one complete video. For that, we will use CapCut. After adding all the videos, we will adjust them properly. Many times it happens that the clip which we generated later looks like it should have come earlier than the previous video, or even before that. So we will adjust all of those as well in the same way. And after that, when the complete video is ready, then we will export it. And our video has been made like this. I know that this video has not turned out very good because I made this video in a hurry. If you want to know how you can make a story type video in which you can keep as many characters consistent as you want in every scene and every clip, then you can watch my other video in which I have given a complete guide and also shared some master prompts.